Good evening, good evening. I see you 2 people in here. 3 people. Good evening, Miss Ballard. Good evening. How you doing? Trying to get y'all a good picture. Good evening, y'all. Come on in because I am not gonna be here long. Good evening. Y'all come on in. Good evening, Tanya Williams. Good evening. I am doing good. Good evening, Q Miller. Q Nita. Good evening. How is everybody doing? Y'all come on in. Let me show you what I'm doing right quick. Can y'all see pretty good? Good evening, Linda. Good evening, good evening. Come on in. Good evening, Gloria. How you doing this evening? How is everybody doing this evening? Y'all come on in. I'm going to show y'all something. I don't know, some of you may have even tried these before, but y'all come on in. Let me show you. Just put them down. I got this from Sam's, and this is what I'm fixing to fix. This is a chicken taco kit.
No idea about my water.
Your water?
Bottle water.
Oh, it's over here. How you feeling?
Sleepy all of a sudden.
Sleepy. And you know, this is a chicken taco kit. I'm good, Gloria. Good evening, Alyssa. And it has the tacos in it, cheese, cabbage, and that's the chicken, and some lime and salsa and cilantro lime crema. So now, I already see one thing that it doesn't have, and I most certainly am going to add it, is some onions. I don't see any onions in here, nor do I see any tomatoes, so I'm going to add both of those. But yeah, chicken taco kit, and this came from Sam's, and it was $14.81. Hey, Betty Mitchell. Hello, Essie. $14.81. So I'm fixing to fix it. Have any of y'all ever tried these kits from Sam's? They and it's supposed to be 180 calories per serving, and I suppose that would depend on how big you fix it. And this is 2.7 pounds, so it's almost 3 pounds. So we're gonna see. Have any of y'all, Gloria, you never had it? Good evening, Betty Mitchell. Good evening, Debbie and Valerie. Good evening, y'all. Come on in, guys, and sharing is caring. So please share the love. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to separate this. Looks pretty good, but I ain't got enough. So this is what it's looking like. Good evening, Melody and Valerie. Guys, sharing is caring, so share the love. And I thank y'all so much for joining me. So I'm going to put a little oil, I guess, in the skillet. And I'm going to put the meat in. So let me turn y'all around. I'm gonna let it warm first so y'all can see. Y'all see that I'm gonna put this meat in my black skillet. How's everybody doing? Good evening, Trisha. Hey, Antoinette and Lisa. I'm gonna turn this on so I can warm our shells. Hello, TT. Yes, it has been a long time, girl. You all right? Hey, Rachel, good to see you too. So let me turn that down a little bit. And I'm going to put some oil in here. Good evening, Shirley. You've been busy. I understand that. So I'm going to put some oil down in here. Yes, or one time I said oil and grabbed the vinegar. And I don't know, I might even put a little bit more seasons in it. But let's get it over here. Well, before I do, I'm going to just turn this down and let my pan get hot. Because I'm going to separate the rest of this. I'm going to separate it. Good evening, Laketria, Michelle. Hey, Tadine, how you doing? So let's separate this. Have any of y'all ever tried these before? Hey, Trizette. Rachel. And this is a taco set. I went to Sam's today, and this is a taco set I got from Sam's. So that's what I'm fixing to fix. It was $14.81, and so I just got it to see was it worth it. You fried catfish with fries. Oh, okay, Antoinette, that's good. What comes with it, TT, is you get the shells, you get cheese, some kind of slaw or cabbage, I guess, and 2 different dressings and the meat. So, let's sit. One is salsa and one is cilantro lime crema and one is salsa. Now let's and I'm gonna let me see how many you get. 1, 2, 3. You get 12 tortillas. I'm gonna put them in my little tortilla thing and put them in the oven. You get 12 of those. So that's 12 tacos, really. Hey, Claire Dane. Yeah, Rachel, this will be enough for us. I probably won't eat no more than 2, maybe 3. Byron probably will eat 2. Grandson 3 or 4. This is a plenty for us. Plenty. So let me just lay the limes over there. I may have to put some more cheese with this. I can see a problem already now. The cheese has gotten mixed up with some of the cabbage. Seemed like it could have been packaged a little bit better, I'm just saying. I know it's gonna mix all on the taco, but I want to mix it myself. Oh, Tadine, you've tried these before. Good evening, Vanita. You tried these before. And cheese got mixed with the meat, so I guess we're gonna have all of it mixed together. It's all going the same way, so I guess that'll be okay. We'll just have to deal with that tonight. Mm-hmm. Okay. Some of that's in the chicken, some of that cheese is in the chicken. Hey, y'all let me know if y'all, hey, Carla, Tadine, okay, you've tried them before, okay. So now this is our meat, and it's a bit of meat. Hello, LaKenya, so I'm going to put this over here and get it in the skillet. And y'all, I'm going to get y'all over here so y'all can see. It's more than enough meat for 3 people. Rinse my hands off. Just gonna let this channel close. Y'all see that? That's a good amount of meat. That's more than enough meat. And after it get a little bit warm, I'm gonna taste and see am I gonna, which I'm sure I'm gonna put some seasonings in it. And I just had a little oil in the bottom of the skillet. A little, that's a good amount of meat and smells good. Now, of course, you can buy your own chicken and all that. I've done that too, but I was in Sam's and I saw this. Thank you, Vanita. Good evening, Angela and Maxine. Good evening, Brenda from Arkansas. Thank you, Brenda. I love you too. Good evening, Deborah Smith. You like this, Deborah? Well, girl, this came straight from Sam's. I'm just warming it up. Just warming it up, and I'm going to see. Oh, my God, I can already tell it looks kind of bland. Doesn't look as flavorful to me. So let me go and get my stuff out. Smells good though. Let me get a fork and taste it. It's gonna taste a little bit. Not bad. Not bad at all, but It ain't quite like I like it. So I'm going to season it up a little bit. Good evening, Betty Wells and Leah and Lynn Holloway. Good evening. We'll season it up a little bit. It ain't bad, but it just ain't. It just kind of ain't like I want to taste it. But it is not bad. And I'm going to try some of this seasons, this wood-fired garlic. I also picked this up at Sam's today. Ooh, it smells good too. And this is just some ways you can use it up. Okay, let me put my shells in. Let me move y'all back and put my shells in because my oven is ready. Okay, good evening, Joseph and Leola. Yeah, Leola, I got to hook it up, girl. I got to hook it up. And look a little dry. Yeah, I got to hook it up. So now it look a little dry, so I'm finna take a little chicken base, put it in some hot water and put a little juice on it. I ain't gonna take much of it, probably about a half a teaspoon or so. And I just got it in this water. Hey Rose, how you feeling today? Hey Peggy. Good evening, Lisa. Good evening, Gloria. Y'all, Anthony James is a scammer. Do not respond. Hey, Sherry. Hey, you went by too fast, Rachel. Turn it up a little bit now. Hey, Alestine. Hey, Darlene and Lori. I'm gonna turn it up now. Okay. Turn back down. I'm just let that do its thing till I get these veggies ready. And until I'm just looking for my cayenne pepper. Just because it's not no kick to it at all. Okay. Just a little bit. And this is optional. Of course, you can leave this right here out. You don't have to put this in yours. Okay. Okay. I think that's going to be good. Go over here and fix up my extras. Y'all, Anthony James. I'm thinking I get him out of here. Okay. Anthony James is gone. Good evening, Lulu. I do too. Hey, Mike. How you doing this evening? So let me get y'all back over here. Okay. What are y'all having for dinner? Supper, whatever you call it. What are y'all having? Have you had it? Oh boy, my comments are lagging, so he's doing good, Angela. Good evening, Hattie. How you doing? Good evening, Gigi. How you doing? Hey, Lisa. Hey, Mary Jo. To my son, Gloria. Oh, you must be talking to somebody else. Anthony James is a scammer, guys, so please do not respond. Oh, Rose. Okay, girl. You went to Texas Roadhouse. All right, then. Good evening, Sandy Neely. Great Northern Beans, sweet corn. Oh boy, that's a good one. So we're going to cut up these onions, and they looking kind of puny. I'm going to cut them back right there. Get something to put them in. I had leftover chicken salad for dinner and lettuce and crackers. Oh, well, Betty, that was good. Oh, Rose, it's your son's birthday. Oh, wow. Well, tell him happy birthday from Miss D. Hey, Carolyn. Hey, William Pennington. You had baked spaghetti. Oh, dog, Hattie. I know that was good. Your comment went by too quick. Couldn't see what you had with it. So I'm going to cut up this onion. I knew that was not going to be enough fixings for the tacos for us. I knew that. Because it didn't have no onions. Now I can go, or tomatoes. Now, no onions or tomatoes, that's a no. Gotta have onions and tomatoes. It ain't a taco to me. Unless you got some onions and tomatoes on it. Hey, Evelyn. Hey, Kanisha. Mary, Emma, I thank y'all for joining me. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If this is your first time here, guys, y'all leave me a comment. Let me know where you're watching from, and please come again. Happy to have you. Sharing is caring, so y'all share the love. That meat smell good, y'all. Thank you for the stars, Gigi. That meat smell real good. Hey, Linda Stanton. How you doing? How you doing this evening? Hello, Lorraine from New York, girl. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Stirring this meat, y'all. It smells so good. Now I'm going to turn that off. It's very flavorful. I'm going to get, okay, so now let's cut our tomato. Oh, that went by. Hey, Mildred. Evening, Daryl Harris. How you doing? This tomato is very juicy because it's very ripe. I'm trying to touch it very lightly too. Very lightly. Hello, Betty Wallace from North Carolina. How you doing this evening? I'm just cutting some of the larger pieces into smaller pieces. Okay, let me get something to put that in. Because the meat is already, these little lunchroom bowls that I thrifted really come in handy. Yeah, I'm telling you the truth, they do. You know, yeah, well, I might as well cut up all of it. Try this knife and see what it do better. Oh yeah. Knife I should have had all along. Hey Barbara. Hello, what a salad and more. You was making Mexican food tonight too. Hello Eva. Hello Tammy. Yeah, well yeah, if y'all just joining me, this was one of those kits from Sam's. If you just joining me, and it had the meat and the cheese and this cabbage and some lime and sauce of those two sauces and the the tortillas or the taco and so I got them in the oven warming, and I'm cutting up some tomatoes, and I've already cut the onions. So that's what I got going on. Hey, Debbie, how you doing? Good evening, Tammy White. Hello to you. Okay. I am good, Barbara. I am good. By the grace of God, I am good. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So now that's it. That is it. The only thing left now to do is put us tacos together. Oh, and let me get sour cream. Hey, LaShay Key. Hey, Clarita, how you doing? And Robbins, Georgia, look. Hey, Clarita, y'all, Trey loves Mexican food. When I tell you he loves Mexican food, He loves it. He loves it. Let me say, let me get the sour cream out. If you in a hurry and if you don't feel like, I'm going to say this would be a quick little dish. This would be a quick little dish. Hey, Dawn. Hey, Yolanda. Hey, Christine Bryant. Hey, how are you? Okay, let me check Michelle's in that oven. Don't take them long. So now let's go. Mm-mm. Put the top back on so them will stay warm. Sit it over there out the way. Okay, y'all ready? Can y'all see? You been missing me, Garetha? I've been right here. I have been right here. So I'm going to make one using this. I'm going to use both of them on both of them. Smells good. That tastes pretty good. That's a little spicy, y'all. That's a little spicy. And this is the cilantro lime crema. That's a little spicy. Hey, Paulette, how you doing? Hey, Nick G. Hello, Lydia from Seattle. That's how that looks. That's good. Has avocado, so let's get over here and get us some meat in it first. Okay. Whoa. I'm making a mess, y'all. It just wouldn't be me if I didn't. Okay. A little bit more than that. So, that's the meat. That's how the meat looking. So now, I'm going, where should I start? Get me a fork and a couple of spoons, or a couple of forks. Okay, I'm gonna do 1 and 1. So I'm gonna start by putting some of this shredded. I'm gonna turn y'all around. Start by putting some of this shredded cabbage down. Put a few tomatoes. Okay. Some onions. And I think I'm putting the sauce. I'm gonna put the sauce on this one. Put some cheese down. Ooh, my mouth watering. And some sour cream. I might have to stick a hole in this. I just got this today. Oh, I see. It would help if I opened it, wouldn't it? Yes, it would. Sorry, y'all. Just give me a minute. Let me open this. And just a little dollop of sour cream. Lord. Now on this other one, I'm going to put the same thing, but I'm just going to use the other dressing. Get another spoon. I don't think I'm going to put no sour cream on this one. Okay. Hello, Bridget. Hello, Darlene and Amanda. Yes, girl, let's eat, Amanda. And that's it. And Amanda, this is one of them taco kits from Sam's. It's where I got this from. Hey, Tracy. So, guys, I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna taste this one. I want this one with the cilantro crema. I want this one, y'all. That's good. I want more onions, though. Yeah. Good pet time. That's very good. Hey, Isis. That is very good, y'all. It sure is. Now, that was the one with the cilantro lime crema. Try this other one, but I know it's good, too. It's good, y'all. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Chicken. It's chicken, y'all. Mm-hmm. And it's good. Okay, Dara. Take a bite. Take a bite. Hello, Johnny Lister, Katrina Harris. Hello, guy. You get the opportunity to try them, try them. I'm finna go sit down and enjoy the rest of this cause honey, this is some kind of good. Hey, Liz. Hey, Gigi. It is. Good. So, guys, I love you. Yeah, Gigi, it is yummy. Hey, Felicia. I love y'all. I thank y'all for joining me this evening. You all go on and have the most amazing rest of your evening. You like my apron of Vineyard? This was a gift. This was given to me. It sure was. I think it's so cute. And it was a gift. Come on, Janie. Come on over, girl. Good evening, Wanda. Oh, thank you, Laura. How are you doing this evening? So, guys, I thank y'all for the stars. I thank you. Yeah, I think it is cute, too. I just love it. I thank y'all for joining me this evening. Love you, too, Betty. Thank you, Alvinia. And guys, sharing is caring. So y'all share the love, please. Share the love. Hey, Pepper, how you doing this evening? My sister's doing great, Garika. She's doing great. Thanks for asking. Sending you a big hug right back. Daryl, you'll get used to it. So, guys, I love y'all. I thank y'all. Y'all go on and enjoy the rest of your evening. And until I see you again, love, peace, and blessings. Thank you, Antoinette. Y'all share the love. Sharing is caring, so share the love.